Hey everyone, welcome to 321 Preschool Fun. I'm Miss Brittany, and it is my favorite time of year, the fall time, and with that comes Halloween. Me and my 1.5-year-old son have been already reading a lot of fall stories, Halloween stories, going on walks with a stroller, and also playing outside and talking about the leaves that we see and different items such as acorns and pine cones. We've been using these little buckets and playing little games and sorting activities, but I thought it would be fun to try something new, which we haven't done before, which is using homemade Play-Doh with only 5 simple ingredients: flour, salt, lemon juice, food coloring, and cooking oil. And we're going to use different items around the house that I found, which are black and orange, and I'm going to see just how he plays with it. It's going to be an exploratory game, a sensory game. He can figure out which items he wants to use to make imprints in the Play-Doh and just feel the Play-Doh and use his senses to explore. And I hope this is something that you guys can try at home, that's just using everyday items around the house, and also see if they end up sorting by category or also just using different items and comparing the imprints that they make. There's a lot of games you can do with this. And I'm gonna go get him up from his nap right now. I heard him wake up a minute ago, and see how he does with this new activity. I'll see you shortly. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here with my 1.5-year-old son, Easton, and he's gonna try for the first time this homemade Play-Doh sensory activity. We've been working a lot on color recognition lately. Yeah, so this would be great to just simplify it into 2 colors, just talking solely about orange and black. So Easton, what color? This is orange. Pumpkin. Yeah. Easton, what color? Black, yeah. What shape?
Round.
It's round. What shape?
Black.
It is black. That's a circle. And you know what you can do with that circle? You can press it right here in the Play-Doh. Press it down and make a circle in the Play-Doh. Do you want to try? Yeah, circle. Try it. So you can either allow your child to free play and try everything themselves, which I like to do at this age. It's really fun letting them explore it first, and then if they need help, then to show them how. You can also, let's see, can take off some pieces, let them get a sense of how it feels. Would you like to touch the orange Play-Doh? Wow. What do you think? Is it squishy? This would also be a really fun way to do a 5 senses unit, so you can talk about how the Play-Doh smells, how it feels in your hands, and how some other items feel. Also the colors that you see, the textures that you see with the items. I wouldn't necessarily recommend taste for this one. It would be a little salty. Yes, that is black. Very cool. Oh, look, you can take some of these orange pipe cleaners and stick them in the Play-Doh. Yeah, on some of our walks, Easton and I have been going on, we've been seeing a lot of this animal. What animal is this, Easton? What animal? What animal is that? No, this is a squirrel. Squirrel? Yeah, you're being shy. And squirrels like to eat these. What are these? What is that? Acorns. That's right. Here, do you want to try sticking it in the Play-Doh? Stick it right in. Ready? Boop. Very cool. Well, I'm going to let him continue to explore this on his own. But thank you so much for joining us today on 321 Preschool Fun. I am Miss Brittany, and if you enjoy these videos, please give them a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.